how to share group link on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share group link on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then just go to your group like this one here, and now just click on group profile here in the top and scroll down. Here you will find invite, this one, click on it and then click this one, share link, and as you see here you can share your group link to anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.